Hello and welcome to the new video in which we are discussing Shakespeare's play The Merchant of Venice. This is a next audio on the long series. So, we are on the Act 3 Scene 3. So, Bassanio has heard the news that Antonio's trial is to be done. So, with the permission of Portia, he is in the journey from Belmont to Venice, and this scene, what we are going to discuss, Act 3, Scene 3, is a filler scene between journey of Bassanio from Belmont to Venice. It is a scene in Venice in a street where Shylock, Salarino, Antonio and a gaoler are there, and Antonio is behind the bars, and Shylock and Antonio are discussing each other, with gaoler telling that he should be excused. So, it is a short discussion between Antonio and Shylock, and rather some of the dialogue of Salarino and some feelings of gaoler. So, gaoler is a jailer. So, Shylock says to jailer, so jailer, look to him, tell not me of mercy. This is the fool that lent out money greatest. Gaoler, look to him. The Shylock says, the jailer, guard him closely. Antonio is behind the bars. So, Shylock is saying that you should guard him closely and don't ask me for the mercy, because this person is the fool who lent money greatest, who lent money without any interest. So, gaoler, look to him. So, keep in your custody, keep in your charge. Jailer, keep in your charge. So, Shylock is just giving an advice to jailer that he should properly take care of Antonio, that he should be behind the bars. Antonio says, hear me yet, good Shylock. So, Antonio is saying, but hear to me, good Shylock, please listen to me. Antonio wants to talk something to Shylock, but Shylock do not want to listen anything. Shylock is saying, I'll have my bond, speak not against my bond. So, Shylock is saying that I'll have my bond because you have to give the penalty. So, I'll have the bond and you should not speak anything about the bond. I have sworn an oath that I will have my bond, and I am bound by the swear that I will have my bond. Thou calledst me dog, therefore thou carest a cause. So, you called me a dog without any reason. But since I am a dog, beware my fangs. But since I am a dog, so you should afraid of my teeth. That is what Shylock is saying to Antonio. The Duke shall grant me justice, I do wonder, and I'll get the justice. Shylock is saying that I'll get the justice, I do wonder, thou naughty jailer, that thou art so fond. So, he is saying to jailer that you are so foolish, and it's bad that you are a bad jailer, that you have taken Antonio out to come abroad with him at his request. Antonio has requested that he want to get out of the jail. So, jailer has taken him out of the jail. Shylock is scolding the jailer that you are a foolish man. How could you do this? So, Antonio again say, I pray thee, hear me speak. So, Antonio again says that I request you to hear me speak. So, I am requesting you, please hear. Shylock says, I will have my bond, I will not hear thee speak. So, Shylock is saying that I will not going to hear anything, I will have my bond. I will execute my bond. I will have my bond and therefore speak no more. So, I am going to execute my bond, you should not speak anymore. I will not make a soft and dull eyed fool. So, he is saying that I will not be a soft and a stupid fool to shake the head, relent and sigh and yield to Christian incestuous, follow not. And I will not behave in this way that I shake the head in a pity and just give you an pity and sigh and ask to some and listen to some Christian pleaders. Means someone will come and plead to me that I must have a mercy. So, I will not be going to do that. I will have no speaking, I will have my bond. So, I will not going to speak to anyone, I'll execute my bond. This is what Shylock insisting on. So now Salarino says, it is the most impenetrable cur that has that ever kept with man. So this is the most heartless dog that ever lived among the man. So this was the statement of Salarino. Antonio says, let him alone. So leave him alone. Antonio says, leave him alone. I'll follow no more with bootless prayers. So I'll not follow more useless prayers, because Antonio has seen that Shylock is in no mood to hear any of his pleas. So I'll follow him with no more bootless prayer. He seeks my life. His reason, well, I know. So he wanted my life. So he wanted the life, and he do not know the reason. I oft deliver from his forfeitures. So the reason he tells that, what are the reasons for Shylock is so having so much hate regarding Antonio. So Antonio says, I oft deliver from his forfeitures many that have at times made moan to me. So I have often delivered from his forfeitures. So forfeiture is a penalty. So I have saved many men from his penalty, and that have been moan to me. So that have appealed to me. So the people who have appealed to me, I have given penalties. I have saved them from penalties given by the Shylock. So this is the basic reason why Shylock hates me. Therefore he hates me. He has saved many people from the grip of Shylock, who were not able to pay the bond, and who were not able to pay the amount on the written date. So that is why Antonio saved so many people. So that is why Shylock is hating Antonio so much. So Salarino says, I am sure the Duke will never grant this forfeiture to hold. So Salarino now says that Duke will never allow this bond to be executed, this forfeiture, this penalty to be done. But Antonio says no. He says the Duke cannot deny the course of law. Antonio says the Duke cannot deny the course of law. The law will take its own action for the community that strangers have. So the rights that foreigners have in Venice, with us in Venice, cannot be denied. For the strangers, for the outsiders, those have rights in Venice, and they cannot be denied it. They cannot be denied. They must be given. Will much impeach the justice of the state, and if the right are not given, then it will impeach the justice of the state, then it will hinder, it will create the feeling of negativity about the justice of the Venice. So since that the trade and profit of the city, and in this way it will bring down the profit and the trade of the city, because it consistent of all nation, because trade in Venice is carried out by the people of all nation. These grief and losses have so baited me. So now Antonio is saying that this grief and these losses have made me so much loss, that I shall hardly spare a pound of flesh, that I have hardly left with a pound of flesh. He is saying that I am so much depressed, I am so much in anxiety with my losses of the ships, that I have hardly left with a pound of flesh tomorrow to my bloody creditor. So I have not flesh left in my body. So how would I pay my credit to my bloody creditor, means Shylock? Well, Gaoler, on pray God, Bassanio come to see me pay his debt, and then I care not. So, jailer, let us pray that Bassanio comes, and if he comes, then he will pay his debt. I will see him, and after that I will care for nothing. So, this is a short scene in which Antonio says that he do not care if he see Bassanio up to his death, and Shylock is very much insisting that he will have his bond. He is not going to listen anything about anything, and jailer is in sympathy with Antonio, and obviously Salarino, his friend, he is also saying that Shylock is a most impenetrable cur, most heartless dog that has lived with the man. So this was a short scene, Act 3, Scene 3, that as I said was like a filler between the times when Bassanio comes from Venice, Bassanio comes from Belmont, and he comes to the Venice. So it prepares the background for the trial scene, because in this scene it is shown that Antonio is in with jailer and he is behind the bars. So it is the background of trial scene is being prepared by this scene. So So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.